This is Mixed Pinoy Cowboy, ang cowboy na mahilig mag-exercise pero tamad pumunta sa gym. Alright, day 3 natin, gagawin natin arms workout tayo. Exercise our bicep and tricep for today. Alright, so samahan nyo ko ngayong umaga sa exercise na to. Arms workout tayo. Guys, yung unang exercise natin para sa bicep is close grip curl gamit resistance band na to. Alright, okay, let's do this. Let me show you how. Alright, so ganyan lang kasimple. Okay, so advice ko lang sa inyo guys nga pala, no? Kung gagamitin nyo siya ng ganyan, kung tatapakan nyo siya, so make sure lang guys na meron kayong sapin para hindi siya mag-i-scratch dun sa ating sahig, no? Alright, so yan kasi yung mag-focus ng damage dun sa ating resistance band. No, maaari siyang maputol at saka maaari rin siya mag-snap. Alright. Close grip curls. Okay. And para naman sa ating tricep, yung unang workout para sa tricep natin is overhead tricep extension, guys. Okay. Alright. Overhead. Okay. There we go. Overhead tricep extension. Ganyan. Alright, once again, 3 to 4 sets. Second bicep exercise natin is concentration curls. Kung paano yung gagawin sa resistance band, ganito ang itsura niyan, guys. Alright, concentration curl gamit ang resistance band. Alright, so eto yung resistance bands natin. Ilatag nyo lang dyan. Okay. And then tansyahin nyo lang yung gagamitin yung haba ng resistance band. And then tapakan nyo. Just like this. Alright. Okay. Ganyan. Other side. Second tricep workout natin is the kickbacks. Alright, ganito itsura niyan gamit ang resistance band. Alright. Alright, something like this. Tricep kickbacks. Alright. Wow, talaga naman. Ganda, talaga. Pull na 10. Other side. Third exercise natin para sa bicep, yung ating standard curl, no? Yung basic na bicep curl. Alright, let's do this. Alright, basic. Basic na basic. Alright. Okay, same thing, no? 3 to 4 sets. And of course, 10 to 12 repetition. Alright, standard curls. Basic. Basic na basic. Alright, and then para sa tricep natin, pangatlong exercise para sa tricep, single overhead extensions. Ito yung tsura niya. Ganito yun. Alright, yung last and pang-apat na ating bicep workout is wide grip bicep curls. Okay, this is how it looks like. Yan, ganyan lang. Alright. Okay. So, make sure lang din guys, pag every time na nagka-curl kayo guys, make sure na yung ating siko is much as possible nakadikit dito sa ating katawan. Alright? Okay, the same thing. Please, 3 to 4 set, 10 to 12 repetition. Alright. Exercise natin para sa ating tricep is tricep overhead extensions. It looks something like this, guys. Guys, day 3 completed guys. So yung arms workout natin, bicep and tricep. Ito nga palang exercise na to is part ng ating 90 days challenge using fitness resistance bands. Alright? Thank you very much guys. This is Mixty Pinoy Cowboy. Keep on exercising guys because health is wealth. Paalam. Bye bye.